To email a set of plans, simply click the Email Job button, which opens the Email Job wizard. Select Email Plans, click Next. Now select the items that you wish to send. By checking the top parent, you're going to automatically select all of the items below, or if you're after just a certain piece of information, such as a certain page and certain digitizer information, you can just select at that point which page you want to send. But to send the whole project, select Pages at the top. You can review through. That's just the images file. The Takeoff folder would be any Takeoff items that you have, if you want to send those as well. You can also send the remembered values or any auto lists that are created. Select Next. Your contact information from Outlook will automatically populate if that's available. If you're using a different client, you'll have to create your own list. You'll want to enter in your name, a referral ID if you are a part of the referral program, your email address, then your recipient list. To add someone new, simply type their email address in. Click Next. Enter in a message. Click Next. You'll get a preview of your message. Simply click Finish to send. Your plan will automatically zip to a compressed file, upload to our secure server. The email recipient will receive a link to download the file from the server, so you're not sending any large files through your email client.